Welcome to the Great Garden channel. Snake plant is one of the most popular ornamental plants because of its strong appearance, excellent adaptability, and positive feng shui symbolism. It is also a very suitable plant for growing indoors or in offices. However, if it is not cared for properly, snake plant may grow slowly, develop dull green leaves, become weak and soft, or fail to produce many new shoots as desired. In today's video, I will share with you a simple snake plant care method that uses only familiar ingredients available in the kitchen and can be easily applied by anyone. This method will help support healthier root development, stronger leaves, glossier green foliage, and stimulate the plant to produce many new shoots. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe so that you do not miss any simple plant care tips on the Great Garden channel. Let us get started. This is the snake plant that I purchased for only $2 during a store sale. You can easily notice that the plant is in quite poor condition. The leaves are wrinkled, dried out, dull in color, and appear lifeless. Some leaves also show signs of damage and uneven growth. Looking at its current condition, many people might think that the plant is too weak and very difficult to recover. Some people would even choose to throw it away rather than continue caring for it. However, with proper care, a snake plant like this can still recover successfully and produce many healthy new shoots. To revive the plant, the first thing we need to do is gently remove it from the pot, as shown in the video. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Next, remove some of the old soil around the base and root system to make it easier to inspect the roots. This will help us identify damaged roots, rotten roots, or dead roots, so that we can treat them properly before replanting. After that, use specialized pruning scissors and disinfect the blades with alcohol before trimming. Next, remove any leaves that are dried, yellowing, or severely damaged. This helps the plant concentrate its nutrients on the healthy parts while reducing the risk of fungal diseases spreading to other leaves. Carefully trim close to the damaged leaf tissue to avoid injuring the healthy surrounding tissue. During the pruning process, keep the leaves that remain green and firm because they will provide the energy needed for the plant to recover more quickly in the coming weeks. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Finally, gently rinse the plant under clean running water, as shown in the video. This helps remove old soil, dirt, and impurities that remain attached to the roots and the base of the plant. At the same time, cleaning the plant helps reduce fungal diseases and bacteria that may exist in the old growing medium. In addition, when the root system is thoroughly cleaned, the plant can absorb water and nutrients more efficiently, creating favorable conditions for recovery and future growth after replanting. Finally, place the plant in a dry, well-ventilated location, away from direct sunlight, or in an area that receives only gentle light. This allows the plant time to rest and stabilize after pruning and root cleaning, At the same time, a cool environment helps reduce water loss, minimize stress, and create favorable conditions for better recovery before replanting. While waiting, we will prepare a natural solution to help clean and care for the plant. First, I use baking soda. Baking soda contains sodium bicarbonate, a mildly alkaline compound that many gardeners use to help clean plant surfaces. Prepare a clean glass cup or container, then pour approximately 1 liter of clean room temperature water into it. Next, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and stir thoroughly until it completely dissolves. Thorough stirring helps create a uniform solution, allowing all components to distribute evenly and work more effectively when used on plants. When the plant has dried completely, gently place the base and root system into the prepared baking soda solution for disinfecting, as shown in the video. This helps clean the root system, remove dirt, and reduce the development of certain fungi and bacteria that may be attached to the plant. If you have questions or want to share about orchids, please post on the community tab of the channel. Let us exchange and learn orchid care experiences together every day. At the same time, use a soft cotton pad soaked in the baking soda solution and gently wipe both sides of each leaf, as shown in the video. Wiping the leaves helps remove dirt, residue, and impurities that have accumulated on the leaf surfaces over time. At the same time, cleaner leaves become more breathable, helping the plant absorb light more efficiently and supporting more effective photosynthesis. In addition, this step helps the plant appear cleaner, healthier, and creates favorable conditions for recovery after pruning and root treatment. Soak the plant for 15 minutes. During that time, we will prepare the growing medium for replanting. First, put on gloves to maintain hygiene. Next, use approximately 50% garden soil. Garden soil contains many natural minerals and retains nutrients effectively, providing a stable nutrient source throughout the plant's growth period. The remaining 50% should be coconut coir. Coconut coir retains moisture well while helping keep the growing medium loose and airy, creating favorable conditions for healthy root development. Prepare a clean pot as shown in the video. Next, place the garden soil and coconut coir into the pot and mix them thoroughly together. Thorough mixing ensures that all components are distributed evenly throughout the growing medium, creating a balance between moisture retention, nutrient retention, and aeration. As a result, the root system will have a more favorable environment for growth, helping the plant adapt and recover better after replanting. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Now, the growing medium is ready. When the plant has soaked for the required amount of time, gently remove it from the solution as shown in the video. Next, use paper towels or a clean soft cloth to dry any remaining moisture on the leaves, stem, and root system. This helps keep the plant dry and airy, reducing prolonged moisture that could encourage fungal growth. At the same time, it helps the plant adapt better before being replanted into the new growing medium. Now comes the most important step, replanting the plant into a new pot. First, prepare a pot with drainage holes at the bottom as shown in the video. These holes are extremely important because they allow excess water to drain away easily after watering, reducing the risk of water accumulation inside the pot. First, spread a layer of growing medium across the bottom of the pot. This layer serves as a foundation for the roots, helping secure the plant and creating an airy space at the bottom of the container. Next, place the plant in the center of the pot so that the roots are evenly distributed and the stem stands naturally upright. This helps the plant grow more evenly and remain stable after replanting. Finally, gently cover the roots with another layer of growing medium to secure the plant. Avoid compacting the soil too tightly because this reduces aeration and may negatively affect the future root development. Now, the snake plant has been successfully replanted. At this point, use clean water to gently water around the base of the plant as shown in the video. Using clean water helps stabilize the growing medium, provides the necessary moisture for the roots, and helps the plant adapt more easily to its new environment after replanting. In addition, water naturally fills the gaps in the growing medium, allowing the roots to make better contact with the soil. After watering, place the plant in a dry, well-ventilated location away from direct sunlight for 3 days. Areas with gentle light and good airflow are ideal during this period. This helps reduce transplant stress, minimize water loss, and create favorable conditions for root recovery and stable development during the first few days after replanting. After 3 days, when the plant has stabilized, we will prepare a nutrient solution to support growth and nutrient absorption. The ingredient I use is rice. Rice contains starch and small amounts of minerals such as potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium. First, prepare a clean glass cup as shown in the video. Next, add 3 tablespoons of rice and pour in 500 milliliters of clean room temperature water. If you have questions or want to share about orchids, please post on the community tab of the channel. Let us exchange and learn orchid care experiences together every day. Then stir thoroughly so that the rice is fully exposed to the water, allowing the natural nutrients and minerals to gradually dissolve into the solution. Thorough stirring helps create a more uniform solution, increases nutrient extraction efficiency, and helps the plant absorb nutrients more easily during use. Next, use a strainer to remove all of the rice residue, keeping only the clear liquid as shown in the video. Thorough filtering helps keep the solution clean and reduces sediment buildup that may clog or compact the growing medium. The collected liquid is the natural nutrient solution that we will use to care for the plant in the next step. Add 500 milliliters of clean room temperature water to dilute the solution. Now the nutrient solution is ready to use. First, pour the prepared rice solution into a spray bottle as shown in the video. Then gently spray the entire plant from the base and stem to all leaf surfaces. The rice solution provides natural nutrients that help support healthier root development and improve the plant's ability to absorb water and nutrients. In addition, regular spraying helps keep the leaves greener, supports photosynthesis, and contributes to more stable plant growth. For plants that are recovering, this solution also helps maintain vitality and promotes better development over time. Continue applying this method approximately 2 times per week, and the plant will gradually become healthier, produce more new leaves, develop a more stable root system, and recover more quickly if it is weakened. I will use the remaining solution to water other plants in the garden. Here, I will use it on a Zamioculcas plant as shown in the video. Using the rice solution helps provide natural nutrients to the soil, supports healthier root development, and improves the plant's ability to absorb water and nutrients. In addition, the solution helps keep the leaves glossier, the stems stronger, and supports the Zamioculcas plant in maintaining stable vitality and healthier growth when used regularly. Results. After approximately 2 months of consistently using the rice solution together with proper plant care, the snake plant showed significant improvement. The leaves became darker green, thicker, and stronger than before. Leaves that were previously weak, wrinkled, or lacking vitality gradually recovered and regained their healthy appearance. The overall plant became greener, more balanced in growth, and maintained stable vitality. The root system also became healthier, allowing the plant to absorb water and nutrients more efficiently. Most importantly, the plant began producing new shoots from the base. These shoots developed strongly and made the pot appear fuller and much more vibrant than it did at the beginning. What do you think about this rice-based snake plant care method? Please leave your thoughts or experiences in the comments section so that we can all learn from one another. If you found this method useful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Great Garden channel to discover more simple, affordable, and effective plant care tips. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in future Great Garden videos.